Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be rocking this curly hair bang, on 4C hair. This style is really fast and easy. It's when you're having those bad hair days and you just want to put a style together real quick. Alright, so we're just gonna jump right into it. Alright, so like I said, this is the kind of hairstyle you do when you're having a bad hair day and you just want to put something together real quick because, your girlfriend hit you up for brunch or something, One of these things that you didn't plan on and you're going to fix your hair real quick. Anyway, so yeah, this is what's going on with my hair. It is moisturized, okay, but it's not freshly washed. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So anyways, I am just gonna separate the part that I want to do the bang and put that away. It's really easy, okay? Like, do I really even need to be doing this voiceover, But anyways, so I'm using my favorite olive oil eco style gel as always, which I'll put all over the hair. So using a brush, I'm just gonna put everything together, and put that in a ponytail like so, and make sure that it's not too tight as always. So using this donut, I'm gonna put my hair like so. I didn't want to use any hair extensions for this hair, but if that's how you're feeling, you can pull out some Mali hair and add that to your hair, but that's just not what I was going for. Okay, so for this hairstyle, I'm gonna be using Alicate Naturals lemongrass hold it down styling gel. I really love the styling gel for my type 4, 4C, 4B hair. It works magic. And these are the size of the primrose that I'll be using, the pink size. I wanted to actually use something smaller because I wanted tiny, curls, but it's okay. I didn't have that, so I wasn't gonna go buy new ones just so I should do this. One thing that's very important when you're using your primrose to do your hairstyle, it's very important that you make sure that your hair is detangled. So the first thing that I'm doing, I'm using the gel, and after I'm using the gel, and after I use the gel, I'm combing it out, detangling it, making sure that it's, nice and not tangled, nice and tangle free. That way, the hair can come out really nice and not any frizz and with nice definition, okay? So because this is a quick hairstyle, we don't have time to air dry. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer, you know, do what we can do. But if you have time, you can wait. But for me, I didn't have any time, so I just used the blow dryer for about 20 minutes. Okay, yeah, we did use some heat. So about 20 minutes, and my hair was dry because I didn't use any water. I didn't make it any super wet. Okay, so over here I'm just taking down the pin rods, and this, the way I'm doing it, it's very, very important. You just don't want to snatch the pin rods out of your hair like that, because honey, the style ain't gonna come out. So you just have to make sure that you're holding it and rolling it the opposite way, you know, as I'm doing. That way your curls are popping. I'm gonna be using olive oil, and this is just to prevent frizz. You know, we're still gonna get some frizz because, you know, it's natural hair and it's type 4 hair, so it gonna happen. It's gonna happen, but you know, you just make sure that you're careful with that. And I'm gonna go ahead and separate the hair. And when I'm doing this, I always make sure that I'm not forcing it. So I just go through the hair and separate what's separate the strands that separate. The ones that don't, I don't force it, because if I force it, then I'm gonna have some frizz, and we don't want that. So yeah. All right, and then using an afro comb, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it, you know, and we're just gonna work around it. Use some bobby pins, brush the hair. I did work on that bun again, you know, just to make sure that everything sits nice and perfect. Okay. Alright, this is the end of the video, guys, the end of the tutorial. If you guys like this video, make sure you thumbs up the video, comment below, subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys.